This video explains how to remove rows in a data frame with non-numeric characters using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I'll show you an example, and this example is based on the data frame that we can create with lines 2 and 3 of the code. So after running these lines of code, you can see that a new data frame object is appearing at the top right, which is called data. And we can print this data frame to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 4 of the code. And then you can see that our data frame contains 8 rows and 2 columns called x1 and x2. And the first column, x1, contains numbers and non-numeric values. Now let's assume that we want to drop all the rows from our data frame where these non-numeric characters appear. Then we can apply the is.na function in combination with the as.numeric function, as you can see in line 6 of the code. And I'm specifying these functions to create a subset of our data frame using square brackets. And then I'm storing the output of this in a new data frame object that I'm calling data.new. So after running line 6 of the code, this new data frame object called data.new is appearing at the top right. You can also see a warning message appearing at the bottom in the RStudio console. That is normal at this point. And then if you run line 7 of the code, you can see that we have created a new data frame which contains only some of the rows of our input data frame. And as you can see, we have dropped all the rows in our data frame with non-numeric values in the column x1. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.